To answer the question whether somebody is a good manager or a poor manager, a bad manager or a great one, we benefit from having a clearer definition of what management is. What is the job of a manager? What is management? What is good management? Those are at the foundation of any kind of inquiry into what management for excellence is and means. And we are currently in the midst of a shift of understanding management. So here let me give you or suggest an understanding of management that has dominated until just recently the conversation about what it means to be a good manager. We have two F's, two F words, I would say, that dominate the conversation. One is efficiency. It responds to the question how you're getting something done. And then effectiveness as the word that determines, or the criterion that determines what you actually achieve. So what is the result and how is the process? Effectiveness is whether you get something done that you set out to do, and efficiency is how you get it done. How many resources do you use? Ideally, as little as possible. Effectiveness is simply saying, are you getting done what you set out to achieve? And what is that? So a good manager is one that is both effective and efficient. In the traditional way, management is often seen as achieving results through others. So there is somebody on top somehow that delegates to others beneath him what to get done and how to get it done. And the manager that has the title manager, like Michael Scott, is the regional manager. He manages the region of Dunder Mifflin Paper Company through others. And his job is basically to plan, to organize, and to control. In a new way of understanding management, we're shifting a little bit and we're adding to this. Because as we will see going through this class, there is another important question that we're currently not answering in the traditional understanding of management. And that is the question why. The traditional understanding of efficiency, the traditional criteria of efficiency, the traditional criteria of effectiveness remain. It's important to understand what you're doing and how you're getting it done. And in addition, and even potentially more important, is why are you doing this at all? Why are you getting this done? And we can call it the ethics question. Why are you doing what you're doing? And through that modern management, a different understanding of the management can emerge, where it's much more problem solving with and through others. Is we're doing certain things because there is a problem and we're going to solve it. So the typical answer to the question why is because we're solving an important problem. We're doing X, Y, Z. We're potentially building electric vehicles, or we're creating solar energy or something else. And how are we doing it? This is the process. And if we're achieving what we set out to do in an efficient way, and we have a solid answer to why we're doing this to begin with, we can consider this to be part of more modern management.